Welcome to our video on the top 5 reasons why every car needs a dash cam. As drivers, we all know that accidents can happen at any moment, and when they do, it can be difficult to determine fault. But with a dash cam, you can capture evidence of what happened, making the process of settling claims faster and easier. But that's not the only reason why every car needs a dash cam. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 reasons why a dash cam is a smart investment for any driver, from preventing fraud to capturing unexpected moments on the road. So buckle up, and let's dive into the top 5 reasons why every car needs a dash cam. Driving is a part of our daily lives, but accidents can happen at any moment. That's why every car needs a dash cam. Welcome to Fiodio Technocars, where you can find entertainment information about cars and technology. Reason 1. Evidence in case of an accident. The first reason why every car needs a dash cam is simple: evidence. A dash cam can capture footage of an accident, providing evidence in case of disputes with insurance companies or law enforcement. With a dash cam, you have a record of what happened, including who was at fault, which can make the process of settling claims faster and easier. Reason 2. Preventing fraud. The second reason why every car needs a dash cam is to prevent fraud. Unfortunately, there are people who stage accidents or make false claims to collect insurance money. But with a dash cam, you have evidence that can help prevent fraud. Your dash cam footage can prove that an accident was not your fault, and help protect you from fraudulent claims. Reason 3. Capturing unexpected moments. The third reason why every car needs a dash cam is to capture unexpected moments. Dash cams can record not only accidents but also unexpected and sometimes funny moments on the road. From meteor showers to wild animals crossing the road, you never know what you might catch on camera. Reason 4. Monitoring your car while parked. The fourth reason why every car needs a dash cam is to monitor your car while parked. Some dash cams have a parking mode, which can help you monitor your car while it's parked, providing an extra layer of security. You can use this feature to keep an eye on your car while you're away, and even capture footage of any attempted thefts or break-ins. Reason 5. Improving driving habits. The fifth and final reason why every car needs a dash cam is to improve your driving habits. By reviewing footage from your dash cam, you can identify areas where you need to improve your driving, making you a safer and more conscientious driver. You can review your footage to see if you're taking corners too quickly, changing lanes too abruptly, or any other bad driving habits you may have picked up. So there you have it. The top 5 reasons why every car needs a dash cam. Whether you're looking for evidence in case of an accident, protection against fraud, or just a way to capture unexpected moments on the road, a dash cam is a smart investment for any driver. If you don't have a dash cam yet, we highly recommend getting one. It can save you time, money, and provide an extra layer of security for your car. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And as always, drive safely and keep the road a safer place for everyone.